At SouthCoast Heat and Air, we understand the importance of having a working HVAC system in your home or business for year-round comfort. That's why we take pride in being your one-stop shop for all your HVAC needs. Our experienced technicians are highly trained and certified to handle all types of HVAC repairs, installations, and service. We understand how important having a comfortable and energy-efficient home is, and we go out of our way to make sure that your system is always running at peak performance. Whether you're in need of a simple repair or the installation of a brand new system, you can count on us at SouthCoast Heat and Air to provide you with the best quality service. We offer competitive rates with no surprises or hidden costs, and our experienced team of technicians will always provide you with the best advice and solutions for your particular needs. Contact us today. What services does SouthCoast Heat and Air provide? SouthCoast Heat and Air offers a comprehensive range of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, including installation, repair, and maintenance for residential and commercial properties in Santa Fe, Texas. How experienced is SouthCoast Heat and Air in the HVAC industry? With years of experience, SouthCoast Heat and Air has established itself as a trusted HVAC contractor in Santa Fe, Texas. The team is highly skilled and knowledgeable, ensuring quality service and customer satisfaction. Are the technicians at SouthCoast Heat and Air licensed and certified? Yes, all technicians at SouthCoast Heat and Air are licensed and certified. They undergo regular training to stay updated on the latest technologies and industry best practices. Where is SouthCoast Heat and Air in Santa Fe located? We are located at 5712 Highland Road, Santa Fe, Texas 77517. Our phone number is 281-248-8564. Visit our website, www.southcoast-ac.com/.